Simple Learning. Welcome to Simple Learning.
Welcome, kids. Today, we are going to do Color Hunt Challenge. Let's do it together.
Hi, kids. Let's do a color test today. Are you ready for it? Let's get started. What color is this? This is yellow. Yellow banana. What color is this? This is blue. Blue airplane. What color is this? This is purple. Purple grapes. What color is this? This is white. White valve. What color is this? This is green. Green ball. What color is this? This is red. Red parrot. Well done! Tell in the comments how many colors you guessed correct. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun content.
Thanks for watching, friends. Like, share, and subscribe. I will catch up in the next video.